Guys, this is crazy. Crap. Shit. Holy shit. Crap. I wasn't expecting that. Shit, my heart. Look at that. How the rain is coming. Worst of all is that in any second my internet could die. And we have to put a towel there because the water was, visiting me. And there's no explanation because here in Matamoros, which is where I live, here it never rains. Like once a year, and that is September, but middle of what the fuck? Crap! It's not June, not August. It's July. July, I said. So it's fucking raining, and I had training today. I had my taekwondo training. That's not cool, man. That's not cool. Oh, hi there. Hi. Whoop. Whoop. So, I'm here in my room. And, oh, I know what it rained. It's because I started to read The Land of Stories after like December, 6 months that I bought it. I started reading it. That's why it rained. Sorry, guys. Those who had plans, sorry. I wanted to start reading my book and well, guys, that's all. See ya.